Alright, synthetic division is very helpful. It can decrease the amount of time it takes to complete polynomial division, but it only works when dividing by a linear factor like this.
Yeah, it's kind of like a shortcut method to using like normal division on polynomial equations. So here's an example. So one question you could receive is something that looks like a polynomial and then dividing by like something like x minus 2. So here what you're going to do is you kind of almost set it up like it's normal division. You're going to take the coefficients of this equation, or of this problem. And that's going to be the 3, the 5, the invisible 1 right here. Remember there's a 1. And then the 2. So you're going to make like a box kind of. Looks like this. You're going to put 3 without the x and without the exponent. Minus 5. Without the x and without the exponent, once again. Plus 1. And minus 2. And then you're going to take this. Since this, what goes here and what you're going to be dividing by, or using in synthetic division to divide by, you're going to take the x minus 2, set it equal to 0, x equals 2. So that's what is going to go here. 2.
Okay, if you're done, review packet. You got the review stuff?
Yep.
It's 8:04, we got 10 minutes.
What you're going to do from this step is bring down this 3.
Yes. That's your
3. And then 2 times 3 equals 6. So you're going to bring that right here. Then you're going to bring this down, add these together. It gives you 1. 2 times 1 equals 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6.
I think I checked everyone's videos, right?
Add these. You're going to get 4. And then that's all you got to do there. Now this is what you're left over with. This 4 right here. This means that this is not a factor of this. But what you're going to do to make it into the equation, or the problem once again correctly, right, you can't just leave it like this. You have to go 3x. You kind of model this format. But what you're going to do without this, you're going to model this format, and you're going to start with 1 exponent less. Just remember 1 exponent less. You're going to keep the x's where they are. So that's a 3. So it's going to start with a 2. 3x squared. Plus 1. And then since this was 2, this was 2, this is now going to be x to the first. Or that could be invisible, but we'll write it to show you. And then plus 3. Now, this has, yeah, that's going to be without an x, because that's the next order in this. Plus 4. Now this 4, since this is still the remainder here, from here, you're going to have to take this and put it over what you divided by. So x minus 2. Put that over what you divided by, and this is your final answer.
Alright, next we're going to go over a problem when it's asking to give the factor for the equation. Usually it'll give you multiple choices for the factor, and this is how you'll be able to figure out which one's correct.
Yeah, another type of problem it could give you is something that would say factor the following completely, or like this one represents, it could ask for a factor give multiple options, and the only answer that works is the one that ends with a 0, and that means it will be a factor. Alright, so for this one, it starts a little bit differently. This x plus 4 here, you're going to take this, do the opposite of what we did in the last video. It's going to be, you're going to make it into -4, and so you basically set this equal to 0, blah, blah, blah. And go from there like we did in the previous video. So, -4. Do this, bring these down, just the coefficients.
I've been working on this since I graduated.
Okay. Oh, it's taking so long to upload.
Now you're lying to administration. That's your answers.
Alright. And then you're going to bring this down just like in the last video.
Yeah.
3 times -4 is -12. This gives you 0. Now that doesn't mean anything yet, but in the final solution I'll show you, or final answer. So -4 times 0 is 0. Bring this down, -5. -4 times -5 is 20, positive 20, because of negative times a negative. -18 plus 20 is positive 2. 2 times -4 is -8. Now look at what's going to happen here. These are going to like cancel each other out. You're going to get a 0, no remainder, like the last one had a remainder, so you're not going to end up dividing by anything here. You don't need to divide by the -4 or the +4. You don't need to do that. So here you're going to add in the x and the exponents again. So 3x is going to be to the third, because you're starting 1 less than this exponent. And then plus, well, this is optional. We'll show you both ways. Plus 0x squared. But this could just be left out of the equation, which I'll show you here. Third. And then minus 5x to the first. That could be left out, the 1. Plus 2 without an x, because if you fall the way down, you can't have an x to the 0. And now, this is just out. You don't need to show this. But this means this answer right here, is a factor of this, because you get 0. That means this is a factor of this. Or this could also be written like this. Minus 5x plus 2. You could just leave out the 0x squared because it's 0. But I like to show it. Yeah, so this some questions will ask you if this is a solution, or a factor of this. And because of this, it's a factor of this. This is a factor. They could trip you up and give you, say, x plus 5, and then this would not give you 0. So this would not be a factor of this. Probably. I didn't do it out, but it's probably not.